Hey everyone, Kevin Winkoff, Product Manager here at Dakota, and for today's product highlight, we are going over the Alumni Network and all of the alumni information in Dakota Marketplace. So there's a few ways to gather this information, and I'd say the first way is to go to the Contacts drop-down menu, and you will see the Alumni Network sub-tab. When you click into that, you'll be able to see a full running list of all the different university names that we have. You're able to search by a specific university name, state, country, and the specific metro area that university sits in. If we scroll down, and let's say we will go with Boston College. From here, you can see all of the alumni in Dakota Marketplace that attended Boston College. Along with the contact name, you'll see the current company that they work for, the type of company that is, their current title, the metro area that they themselves sit in, along with their email, did they attend this college or university, postgrad or undergrad, along with the year that they graduated in descending order. Now, using alumni information is super helpful for making cold outreach a little bit warmer. If we want to get more narrowed down and more specific as to the types of alumni, Dakota Joe is a super great source for this action. So if we come to the bottom right and we ask Dakota Joe, let's say we went to Michigan, we're calling on pension funds, and we want to know all the CIO contacts that went to Michigan. So we asked Dakota Joe exactly that. Show me all CIO contacts that attended Michigan. As you can see, Dakota Joe completed the request. For a quick synopsis, there are 72 CIO contacts who attended the University of Michigan. We click right into the hyperlink that Dakota Joe created for us, and we can now see all of the CIO contacts in Dakota Marketplace that attended Michigan. If we want to take a step further, we come to the top right, click Edit. So let's say I sit in New York City, but I want to see all of the CIO contacts at pension funds that went to Michigan and that are currently sitting in New York City. I'm just going to come to this filters bar, type in metro area, come down to the contacts group, click metro area equals New York City. Click apply, click run. Now I have a super curated list of 7 contacts that are CIOs at pension funds that went to Michigan and currently sit in New York City. To take it a step further, if we want to follow and track specific universities, you'll just come to this envelope icon here. Here's where all of the records that you want to follow and track, all the things you want to be notified on in your My Profile here. So if we want to follow and track the University of Michigan, we'll just come right in here, type in University of Michigan, click Save Changes, and we will continue to be notified on all the changes and the new contacts that are added to the University of Michigan's Alumni Network. Awesome. Hope this is helpful. We received a ton of great feedback on all of our alumni information, and we can't wait to continue to build out this data set and help you and your teams fundraise a little bit easier by making cold outreach a little bit warmer. Thanks.